Dag nabbit, I'm stuck like I'm on a one-on-one in bad traffic. Feel like I'm only good at rapping by my bad habits. I took 5 days off and got back at it. Yeah, I'm back at it. Look, mama, I'm doing it. Trying to swallow my pride without chewing it. And that's a bad idea. Don't do it, that's a bad idea. It's like going swimming with some bad diarrhea. Bitch, I ain't tryna build, no, this not IKEA. This one night, then you fly Frontier, and you might get a middle seat. She don't need room, she got little feet in the sheet. She a hot girl, she a big ol' freak. If you got a problem, I promise you it'll be way bigger than some Twitter beef. Don't run into me. See, I've been on that Hennessy and lemonade. Lower my milligrams to 10 a day, that's why I've been away. I get too high, too paranoid. Sometimes thoughts in my mind run lines like suicide drills. I ain't scared to die no more, I don't smile no more. What the fuck am I gonna do at my grills? Damn, I got too high, I got way too high, I'm way too high.